In today's video, I will be showing you some secret code that you will use to purchase data at a very cheaper rate on MTN. But before I dive into today's tutorial video, I would like to inform you to stay and watch this video from beginning to end so that you will not miss any part, most especially the number 5 and number 6. So it is very important. I love number 5 and number 6. So it is good that you watch this video to the very end. So the first one is star star 12 star 10#. So this one, as you can see, you will be charged 20 naira for purchase of 75 MB data bundle valid for 7 days. So this one is just 20 naira and you will get 75 MB and it will last for 7 days. And the second one is star 31 star 31#, star 31 sorry star 312 star 86#. So you will be charged 20 naira for this purchase of 75 MB plus 75 MB weekly plan. So that is 75 MB and also another 75 MB and it will be weekly. So and they will charge you 20 naira for this one. So that is it. And the number 3 is star 312 star 1 star 10#. So just move. No. Sorry, I made a mistake. It will be star 312 star 87#. That is the third one, I think. So you'll be charged 15 naira for this. To be charged 15 naira for this, and it will be 200 MB plus 250 MB, and it will last for 14 days. That's making 550 MB. So that is the third one. So number 4 is star 406 star 3#. So as you can see, this one enjoy this one is a night MB and it is 15 naira for 500 MB, as you can see here. So that is it, and it is from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. So that is it, as you can see. So that is number 4. So I told you that number 5 and number 6 is special. So here is number 5 star 32 star 88#. As you can see here, you will be charged 200 naira for this purchase of 1 GB plus 500 MB. So with just 200 naira, you will get almost 1.5 MB. So let us just go to our calculator. So let me say 200 times 5. So as you can see, 200 times 5 is 1000 naira. So and with 200 naira, you have got 100 you have got 1 GB, and as you can see here, you have already gained 800 naira. That is what I'm trying to say. So now you have gained 800 naira without wasting it. So that is it. So the fifth one is, so we are on the fifth one. So but I continue, I would like you to like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell if you find this video useful. So the fifth one is star 312. Oh, sorry, I made star 460 star 600 hash. So let us move. Okay, I think there is network issue. So this one is for, as in, for those, if it is only accessible for content and tools for SMES. So that is what you can use it for. So and the seventh that is the seventh one is 344 two 1 hash. And there's network issue. So as you can see, this one for selective educational sites. Okay, this one is for educational sites and apps only. So any sites that is meant for education, so you can use it for, you can use it. So that is it. That is the seventh one and also the last one. So if you found this video useful to you, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be among those that will be notified instantly instantly whenever I upload new video. And if you also have a question, please do not hesitate to ask me on the comment section. And if you also need new video for other networks, please comment on the comment section and I will not hesitate to make that video for you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.